Let's make scoopable wax melt candles. First step, we're going to melt our wax. We're going to add coconut oil. And we're going to add some stearic acid. I'll be back once all this melts down. And then we'll move on to the next phase. Okay, so all of our oils have melted. So I'm just going to stir it up. Stir that up. We're going to check our temp. All right, now we're going to add in the fragrance oil that's already been measured. Sorry, have a 2-year-old in the background. I'm just going to stir. Stir for 2 minutes. I'll be back when it's time to pour this into our candle tins. Again, we are making scoopable wax melts. I'll be back. Okay, now that we have our fragrance oil stirred into this container, I'm making samples for my sister and my parents to try out. When I tell y'all this smells so good, this is cookies and cream scoopable wax melt. So we're gonna pour that up in there, like so, like that. Maybe I can see what I'm doing. Take that off of there. Add the other one on this joint. Like so, like that. And then we're gonna let these solidify. And once everything is solidified, I will be back and we're going to decorate it. Okay, so I had a little bit of wax left over from what I poured into my container. This is what it looks like once it solidifies. These are still solidifying, but I had a little bit to make a sample. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like for your client. So you just take some and they scoop it right out. They just scoop it. And they scoop it out and it makes a scoopable wax melt. You see how it's thick? They can mix and match different fragrances if they would like. And this is for people who love candles but don't like the smell of when they blow it out. So they have something, you know, like a scoopable wax melt. Because I know for like my dad, he likes wax melts, but he doesn't like the squares because sometimes he's older and it's hard to break. So I said, let me try to make something that's easy for him to utilize and use. So yeah. And there you go. And that's how you make scoopable wax melts. Hope you enjoy this tutorial.